Good day, Hatch Picks and DIY. Just today I will be sharing you on how to make a custom-made grounding. All you need to have is a 4-gauge wire, terminals, and heat sinkable tube. And the tools you need are electrical tape, scissors, some wrenches, pliers, zip ties, and cutter. I already installed the so-called big tree, but I'm gonna add on some grounding on my car. And here are the points that the grounding kits are gonna be installed. So this is the negative battery terminal. So I'm maybe going to install here. Yep. And from the battery terminal goes to the engine block here, this one, and from the engine block goes to the front chassis, and maybe here or here. And since I'm gonna be installing here, I'll also put another cable here, grounding cable here, going here, this portion at the firewall. Since I already installed the grounding wire here, this is no longer need to install another wire. Of course, this one is for the ground, since the big tree has two grounds and one positive. And the positive of the battery terminal goes to the alternator. This ground wire is going down, connected on the body chassis. And I guess that's all. Let's begin. Just always to remind you, when you do an electrical works on your car, always disconnect the negative connection of your battery. That of course to avoid shorts on your wirings. Let's begin. And the wire should go like this. Yep. I'm gonna cut here. Just cut it up using a cutter. And just put the terminals. Mm. And now we'll be adding some the sinkable tube. before you install, make sure that you will sand the surface. The purpose of this is just to make a good connection on your body ground. The connectors or the terminals should be attached on the bare metal, not on the paint of the car. Okay na. Now we are all done installing the grounding kit. Let us check the connections. I used to put an insulation here just to protect from the heat the wire. Also here and also here since the radiator is also hot. I used to put an protector here. Since I have an excess terminal and I need to buy terminals since I don't have it anymore, and I used to install here and then here. And I hope you do enjoy this video and you learn more about installing grounding kit, and I hope you subscribe my channel and please like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.